How to fix sagging breasts naturally. Breast sagging can be caused by factors such as aging, breastfeeding, pregnancy, menopause, rapid weight loss or gain, strenuous exercise, nutritional deficiencies and wearing a poorly fitting bra. Some diseases like breast cancer or respiratory conditions like tuberculosis can also cause breasts to sag. Excessive consumption of nicotine, alcohol and carbonated beverages can also contribute to the problem. Breasts do not have muscles, they are made of fat, connective tissues, and milk-producing glands, and need proper care to keep them in good shape. Let us see some quick home remedies to mitigate breast sagging which have proved to be very effective. 1. Exercise. One of the best ways to add firmness to breasts is through pectoral exercises. The easiest and most popular exercise is to do push-ups, which strengthens the pectoral muscles beneath the breasts. It helps in shaping up the breasts and reducing the excess fat deposits around the chest. Lifting weights can also strengthen pectoral muscles, including arm curls, chest presses, dumbbell flies, etc. Always wear a supportive or sports bra while exercising. 2. Yoga practice. Yoga styles that focus on the upper body, shoulders, pectorals, or upper arms as they are the best for adding firmness to breasts. Some of the best positions for strengthening the chest muscles are triangle pose, cobra pose and standing forward bend. Certain yoga positions also battle the effects of gravity, which is a major component causing breast sagging. Poor posture is one of the most overlooked causes of sagging breasts. By lowering your shoulders and hunching forward, you are not giving any structural support to your breasts, and they hang freely, completely at the mercy of gravitational forces. Some of the negative effects of gravity on your breasts can be reverted by headstands, back bends and inverted leg stretch. 3. Ice massage. Ice massage is also considered very effective to regain firmness in sagging breasts and to uplift them. The cold temperature will cause the tissue to contract, in turn making the breasts appear firmer and more lifted. Take an ice cube and massage in circular motions around each of your breasts for a minute. Do not overdo. Dry the breasts with a soft towel and immediately put on a properly fitting bra. Stay in a reclined position for 15 minutes. Repeat at regular intervals throughout the day. 4. Olive oil. Massage your breasts with olive oil as it is a rich source of antioxidants and fatty acids that can reverse the damage caused by free radicals and prevent sagging breasts. Pour some olive oil onto your palms and rub them together to generate heat. Rub your palms over your breasts in an upward motion. Massage gently for about 15 minutes to increase blood flow and stimulate cell repair. Follow this remedy at least 4 or 5 times per week. You can also use argan, avocado, jojoba oil or vegetable oils like almond oil or grapeseed oil to massage your breasts. 5. Cucumber and egg yolk. Another excellent remedy for lifting the breasts is a mask prepared from cucumber and egg yolk. Cucumber has natural skin toning properties and egg yolk has high levels of protein and vitamins that can help treat sagging breasts. Puree 1 small cucumber in a blender. Mix in 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of butter or cream to get a paste. Apply it onto your breasts and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off thoroughly with cold water. Use this mask once a week to firm and strengthen the breast tissues. 6. Egg white. Egg white is also good for sagging breasts due to its astringent and skin-nourishing properties. The hydrolipids present in egg white helps lift loose skin around your breasts. Use below mask once a week to enjoy firm breasts. Beat 1 egg white until you get a foamy texture. Apply this onto your breasts and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Wash it off with cucumber or onion juice and then with cold water. Or prepare a breast mask by mixing 1 egg white with 1 tablespoon each of plain yogurt and honey. Apply it onto your breasts and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. 7. Fenugreek. Fenugreek has vitamins and antioxidants that combat free radical damage and help lift, tighten skin around the breasts. Mix 1/4 cup of fenugreek powder with enough water to form a thick paste. Massage this paste onto your breasts and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Follow this remedy once or twice a week. Or take 1/2 cup of yogurt, 10 drops each of fenugreek oil and vitamin E oil and 1 egg white. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Apply the paste onto your breasts and rub it in gently. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Use this mask once a week. 8. Essential oils. Some of the essential oils that can also help or be used to increase the firmness of sagging breasts such as carrot oil, cypress oil, fennel oil, lemongrass oil and spearmint oil. Note, do not use more than 2 drops and dilute in a carrier oil every time you massage the breast as they are very strong and can cause a burning sensation.